So this is how you can see when someone else is in the same Snapchat chat as you. So basically what I mean is whenever you're in a chat and you want to know if someone else is watching that chat or if they're watching it the same time as you. So let's go ahead and open up Snapchat and go to our chat real quick. And I'm gonna use this with the My AI chat because I don't really have any other contacts to show you. But basically, this is how you can do it. So let's go ahead and go to My AI. And now I'm gonna say hi. There you go, I sent the message, and My AI should reply within seconds. As you can see, the AI's avatar is right here and it's peeking out. That means the AI is currently in the chat. This applies to humans as well. Whenever you're in someone else's chat and they're also viewing the chat at the same time as you, they should have their avatar peeking out. If they don't have a Bitmoji or an avatar, it should be an emoji peeking out. For example, a smiley face. I'm gonna show you again just to make sure. I'm gonna say hi, and there you go. As you can see, it's peeking out, and whenever it's going to type, it also has a bubble chat. So I'm gonna say hello once again, and there you go. As you can see, it has a chat bubble, and you also know whenever it's typing or not. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.